More drama from titling authorities on these Japanese mini trucks and Japanese mini cars. This is a great article from Ars Technica, which is a very competent, qualified, and highly respected resource on a lot of things automotive. And they're saying that these Japanese mini cars and mini trucks are a death trap. And they talk about the reasons why. Another state, in this case, it is the state of Massachusetts. Let's see if we can scroll down where it says it. States like Alabama and Arkansas. Massachusetts is the latest to join the movement of banning these vehicles because they're not safe on American roads. Now, you may have a different opinion. Lots of people love these little cars and trucks. Doesn't matter if you like them or not. If the state you're in does not allow you to title it and register it, it doesn't matter how much you like it, you cannot drive it on the road. Now, a lot of people think, well, it has an exemption because of the import requirements, the import exemption where you can import the vehicles. That's true. The Customs and Border Protection, CBP, Homeland Security, does allow an exemption for vehicles older than a certain year to be imported. You will be back in your video in just a few seconds. In the meantime, remember that actualhuman.com offers you live one-on-one private video consultation with an expert in this exact subject. We want to listen to your story. We want to hear your questions. We want to give you expert advisement of your options and tell you what we know about your particular situation. Now back to your video. The problem is that exemption for import doesn't require any particular state to let you title it, just lets you import it. It's kind of like you can import a lawnmower, but the state doesn't have to allow you to drive it on the road. So it reflects that in this article. It says here, the federal government, as long as it's more than 25 years old, an imported car does not have to comply with federal motor safety standards to be imported. However, the federal government doesn't license vehicles for roads. That task belongs to the states. And they are giving key cars the thumbs down, sometimes on previously registered cars. Some states allow you to drive them as farm vehicles and go within 25 miles of where it's registered. Sometimes you can do it on low speed limit roads. But more and more states are pulling them off the roads. And this article is probably one of the best descriptions of the reason why. And there's a big misconception of, well, it's exemption to import. It's an exemption to import, but that's completely different from any exemption to drive it. So if you're looking to buy one of these, before you put any money out, make sure that you know if your state will allow it on the road. And even if it does, be aware there's a risk they could pull it from the road later. Thank you for watching. Remember, you can access live one-on-one personal consultations with a licensed private investigator, a licensed commercial insurance broker, licensed certified real estate title examiner, also a certified civil court mediator. So if you have a need to talk to an expert in any of these fields, or even a licensed building general contractor, you can click the link below, actualhuman.com, and arrange a live one-on-one undivided attention with a licensed expert where you can ask any questions, get information about your situation, and we'd be glad to help.